Hello and welcome to Smart Hats Europe. I'm back in London and I'm highly motivated to present you this video review about this. The Revolut Banking App. Very nice. As you can see, it's a very nice package. Very nice. It's a very nice card. Let's talk about banking. Banking here in the UK has always been very complicated since I can remember. But times are changing, thank God, so all the challenger banks are onto it. Why this? Years ago, your parents were at Barclays, Lloyds, you went to Lloyds. This is changing. This is very good. As you can see, we have got very nice challenger banks in the UK. I have them all. I have got Monzo, Starling Bank, the German N26 Bank in the UK, Monies, and the very nice Revolut card, as you can see. So, is it worse to apply for a Revolut banking card? I would say yes. In a nutshell, I would say yes, it is. Because I will tell you some reasons why it saves you a lot of money. So, let's have a closer look onto the Revolut Bank. Well, there are some differences onto Revolut and some changes. What has happened? Revolut was, a couple of months ago, it was a financial provider and not a proper bank. And this is very important information for you because a financial provider hasn't got a banking license. Now, Revolut has got a banking license, but they're not FSCS protected. What does it mean? That means that the money is not insured. If Revolut goes bust, for instance, if they go bankrupt, you lose all your money. It's not protected. But anyway, there are lots of reasons. I don't use this card as my first account. I just use Revolut for traveling. And this is so easy to save money because it's for free. I use a basic tariff. It's free of charge. And you can open up to 30 accounts. Yeah, believe me, 30 accounts. So I travel a lot. I'm a lot in Germany, I'm also a lot in Czech Republic, for instance. And this is very useful and very helpful for you because you can save a lot of money. You can save a lot of exchange rates. For instance, if you travel like me next year to Czech Republic for a couple of months, you don't want to open up a Czech bank account. Why that? Because you have to pay your landlord in crowns, and so you can also do this quite easily with the Revolut Bank. Just one tap away from your new Czech crown account. I will show you that later on the mobile device. It's very nice, very secure, no hassles, very good. And you can see that how easy it is to use it abroad. And it saves you a lot of money because you don't have any inter-exchange fees or something like that. It's so easy to transfer your money from one currency to the other currency without any fees. Let me show you that on the computer and the mobile. How does it work? Hello, and here you can see the Revolut app. As you can see, this is my main bank account, my British pound account, because I live in the UK, so the first bank account is my British pound account. But I also do have some other accounts. I've got, as you can see, I've got a Euro account, of course. I travel a lot to Europe. I've got the Czech crown account. So if you go on this, tap on this, you can see this. You can add money, you can exchange money. For instance, if you travel to Czech Republic, you exchange your money, your quid into crowns, and if you're coming back, you have got some crowns left on your account. You can transfer it, exchange it quite easy without any fees, without any commission, back to your UK main account. And from your main account, you can transfer it back to your first account, which you use in the UK. Because I don't use Revolut as a first account because I don't think it's good for traveling, but I wouldn't use it as a first account. This is not, it's not useful like this. So, but Revolut offers a lot of other features which are quite nice. As you can see, you've got their cards. You can, if you lose your card, you can freeze it. As you can see it here, it's quite easy. It says you tap again to freeze or tap again to unfreeze. You've got instant access to your PIN and security, which is very, very nice. You can also set up disposal cards, virtual cards. This is also possible with Revolut. These are very nice features. And if you go back to the dashboard, you can see all these things. You see, I can have a standard account. I can upgrade here, up there. But I won't do it because I don't like to pay a lot of fees for bank accounts and insurances and stuff like that. I'm very happy with the standard account. And I will show you now on the computer how to open a Revolut bank account. It's quite easy, won't take more than 5 or 10 minutes. And I tell you more about the other tariffs which Revolut offers. Thank you very much, and see you soon. Hello and welcome to the website Financial Services Compensation Scheme. It's very important to take a closer look on this website if you want to opening a bank account, because not every bank is FSCS protected. That means if your bank goes bust, you will lose all your money if it's not protected. In the UK, it is protected up to 85k. And Revolut is not FSCS protected. Very important information. Please keep that in mind. So I'm switching now to the Revolut website. You can see Revolut is offering personal and business accounts. We want to take a closer look on the personal account. You set up it with your phone number and your mobile device. And you get a code via text, and you can then type in all your dates, register. It's quite easy, and then you're in. As I said, there are not lots of credit checks, so everybody should get this account. There would be no hassle or no sweat. Revolut is offering 3 types of accounts. They are offering the standard, which I use. They've got the premium, and they've got the metal account. We take a closer look on the premium or on the pricing. The pricing plan, there you can see what you get for your money. The standard is free of charge. I love it. It's good for traveling. You don't have to have any worries, spending your money abroad. You get a free Euro IBAN account. You can spend it in 150 currencies, as you can see it up here. And you got free ATM cash withdrawal from up to 200 quid per month. If you think the premium account is good for you, fits to you, then you can have a look on this. It has got overseas medical insurance. People who are not traveling, it might be useful to get one of these. You get a global express delivery. I don't think it's quite useful. Priority customer support. This is what Revolut has got in common with N26. I don't like it personally because I think every customer deserves a good customer service support. So, well, if you pay more, you get a better customer service support. So keep that also in mind if you want to use the Revolut bank. You get a premium card, of course, and a little eye catcher, disposable virtual cards and stuff like that. Okay, if you think, oh well, I want a nice metal card, which is really an eye catcher, it really looks very, very beautiful, then you might spend 13 quid a month for this beauty. It has also got a medical insurance protection. It's got disposable virtual cards, very nice feature. You get 0.1% cashback within Europe and outside, and 1% outside Europe on all card payments. So might be useful for people who are traveling a lot to Dubai or stuff like that, business trips to the US and stuff like that, or Australia. They might save some money. But also quite nice is the delayed baggage and delayed flight insurance. So you can see they've got very nice features, Revolut, and for me the standard account is fine. When I go to Czech Republic, I think It will save me some beers. And yeah, so yeah, thanks very much. Yeah, and that was it. That was our review about Revolut Banking. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe our channel. There are lots of videos coming up next about mobile banking, about challenger banking, useful advices which help you to save a lot of money. Thank you very much, and see you next year. Goodbye.